welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Maxine. Now, Maxine is really upset as she's talking about a bag of people. Now, we know that Maxine has been just listening to what others say for the couple of months. She's been talking, yes, but she's not been in any temper or having any temperament, basically, about other people. But this one is really getting to her. Now, Maxine is saying that she's speaking about um, the landlord who was in court with her cousin, Mr. Ansom, and also Tina Chin. She did mention also Lady V. She's saying that Tina Chin allegedly is running from platform to platform and is causing issue on social media. Now, that is what Maxine is saying. And she's also speaking about Lady V. She's saying that Lady V was not listening to what was happening in social media based on the fact that she came out to defend, allegedly to defend Ashanti and 13. She's saying that those were the people that were talking about her daughter, Lady V's daughter, and pushing her under the bus. So, guys, this is a video for you to watch and listen to carefully. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful one.
Reach there, cause come out and come greet me. And cause we spend on my ears and say if me no see the girl. And me say no, where the nastiness there. He said, see your pass it there up on the step in a one blue sin thing. Me said me worry clock, me turn on my camera immediately. Me turn on my camera immediately because me say me Ross. I hit that me just pass and me just show you the video them. And one video me now go show you the one where me they cuss the attorney. Because him feel to himself say after she run come round. Oh, she a video me, and they shake like a fucking leaf. And him go turn to me. Are you videoing her? Me say, are you talking to me? I say, who the fuck are you to be talking to me? This is a public fucking courthouse. Oh, I not going bad there and must lock up my ass down there. Me no want nobody call me name. Me no want, if you dey talk a story, talk a story. You go smarty then run out of court the day. And you dirty hyena. 3 fucking times the judge run you out there because you never have your attorney. You never have your attorney with you. 3 fucking times then run you out there. If you go find your fucking liar, they must send you straight to prison. Because the case was about to get done with. 3 times, then run you out of courthouse. They don't run nobody out of no courthouse. They never run me out of nowhere because me ain't going there. Me ain't going there. Me don't know what the old dirty hyena them over bongo have with me. Me don't know what they have with me. Uno tear Flex platform done, but at that fi happen to Flex. At that fi happen to him. The whole of uno tear down Flex platform. Tear it down. And run gone. No, no run gone over there so and think you go do the same thing. It not happen. It's not gonna happen. And you see, you Tina Chin, me will come back to the story, people. You see, you Tina Chin, everywhere somebody go and they call Dana name. And they call Dana name. You take your big old dirty stinking ass gone over there. And they type up in and you see what happened to you with Ashanti? You see what happened to you with Ashanti? You should have learned your fucking lesson. You should have learned your lesson. You see you run, the day, you know, me depend the live over Lorraine, you know. When you exist over there, you know. When you come in over there, you know. And Lorraine start to talk. But how much they follow you from when, and this and that, and starstruck. And see what them do with your bumbo clot. And you take your ras gone over bongo. Because you hear bongo them they chat about Dana. And gully rat and tyrannat. Girl tanning in your lane. And you alone name cool tanning in your lane. Everybody platform will open their mouth and chat about Dana. You reach over there. You reach over there. Then soon do you what then do everybody else. What everybody else do you. You can't stay in your lane. You cannot stay in your lane. Everybody platform are so obsessed. You so obsessed with Dana. You so obsessed with Dana that every turn somebody turn as this somebody just come on social media and mention say Gully Rat and mention say Dana and mention some bad things about Dana, whether Dana guilty of it or Dana no guilty of it not. You take your big old done bumbo and gone over there. Yes, me argue it under your dirty ass right now because you was the fucking first one who come out and talk about oh me they wash blood up clothes and me I wash this and talk about my grandchild. You when you go over Bongo yesterday you shouldn't tell Bongo say a lie, the shit argument are not true. You should not tell Bongo say a dirty landlord start the shit argument because the whole of no knowing a people business. You big old dirty me say if you know a Christian, you know, no take no bumbo clot and fire this morning, you know, because say I trip me out to trip my blood clot self naked in this place, yeah. You understand? Me not come back out here, come address none of uno. But you see when me say lie they go on, me no like Tina cause Tina wicked girl. And Tina jump on everybody page and fuck up everybody and then pick me. So all when the man over there, so they pull your data and they pull down all the cancer from out of our warrant clot. Trust and believe you deserve every bit of it. You deserve every bit. Cause you walk about too much and love fuck round people. Cause you turn right there in your little 2x2 dark room and fuck around everybody. Everybody. I'm tired of the whole of no big old dirty done blood clot. I'm tired of uno. When did I have a life? When? That can't happen. It can't happen. Bella wear diaper. And Bella 3-year-old. And make me tell you no say Bella still have diaper from baby blood clot shower. One box they are off right now. Big box. Let me take away whole heap of things from out here. Whole heap. Whole heap. Cause I know it then can't fit her or anything like that. Ashanti no. Lorien no, but on is one wicked dirty blood clot because no day they come. On no think on no day now come. On no think say on no day now come. Yeah, yes, laugh at me. Yes, baby. In a which time? Which of the video? Which of the video? The only time Bella come on screen is when she come and because she swears that she have her friend them. Oh, I'm coming to greet my friend. And she come out and she blow kisses and she blow kisses. Pretty as a money. Pretty. Here never out of place. Look here, man. Uno know say when uno touch this or straw this, so uno know say uno dig up under me gut, you know. Uno know, you know, so that's why uno do it. But no tell no lie. No tell no lie. The shit argument come from Landlawd. Make Landlawd find the video go no. Make Landlawd find the video go no. Me ain't come out can't tell nobody said Lorien husband they molest nothing. Lorien come out can't chat the story. Hey, everybody who get the Tory a Lorien chatty. A Lorien come out con chatty. The whole of you want to feel like you read somewhere or you dead somewhere. You is one load of blood clot shit. That's all me can tell you now. Don't call me name. Do not call me name. The whole of you out there have me things them and Cynthia, why you no hide? Why you no hide? You no whatever with it. Me don't have no problem with the answer, but no come out and tell no lie upon me. Do not come out and tell any lie upon me. Well, Landlawd now go pick up herself. Go gone, they have big audience. Big audience. And the whole of no followers you so fucking fool that I don't even know what wrong with you no. Eh? You no go on pan people platform and you no pay them for all of the fucking lie. Them over blood clot you so free. Me no move no video. No live, no video me ever do that I remove it. None of them. No care how devastating it is, I'm not moving nothing. There's video that's not even up there. Because if me come out, come put out video, social media turn upside down. Me not go no content and me not go no nothing for no make no money. But the whole of you come out with one intention. One intention. You head they up in a dana pussy so much that not even piecing can't even get fi take Mikey 1-2 seka uno. Can't even get fi take Mikey 1-2 seka uno. Flex come out here and Flex tear down, tear and tear. Me say Flex and so you run platform. Flex can't even hold a good decision without the dirty drunk them what they over the aino them what they over bongo. The dirty nasty aino they were over there. Because remember say them when they pan Flex, you know. You when things at the platform when they go away, bongo you dare they come. You dare they come with them. Remember me tell you say, you dare they come with them. Me can't cuss with them because they don't have no fucking platform. The little ugly dirty drunk with them don't have a platform, so me can't cuss with them. Me have to cuss whoever they enable them over there. Me have to cuss whoever then enable them over there. Where me come from now in the mix with the all out no. Me no tell you no say me bun no cremate no, nail no, pin no, bury no, dash no way pan Great River, dash no way out of sea. Me done with no. I would be a fucking idiot figure pull no up back. Me can't find no gone, no is no existence. Me burn, bury, cremate, pin, nail, dash where I see, dash where I river. Where the fuck you no want me go pulling out back from? Me no want pulling out back. Me done. My work is done here. But me want tell you bongo galang over Landlawd. Make Landlawd give you the video. Go make Landlawd give you the video. Go make she give it to you. Because you don't have everything on my page already. So me don't know how you don't go search my page for that video. There's no video there. Honey boo boo, there is no video there. Smoke your big head, spliff them and hold your platform and do what you want to do. No video, no over here. My platform up into the world. Might be for my platform or the Ongo platform will never delete a video. Never. I have never hide a video. I have never, because one of the time when I want me when they do one time and me want to hide one video. And me when they ask how to do it. I couldn't even fucking figure it out. Me YouTube channel wide open, the Facebook sending them wide open, no video, no delete from half of my something. You know, delete. Me say Landlawd, dirty I in a Landlawd. Me say you want in a something with me. Me say you want in a something with me with your liar self. Me say you want to in a something with me. Me say you want to in a something with me. Me done tell you already. Me burn uno. Me cremate uno. Me care when no go round at the parlor. Me care when no go on Maddens. Me have a nice little service food, no? And me cremate the ashes them and stuff like that. Yes. Me go down where the river name the big river where the rafting where me go. Me tell you no say me dash where the ashes out there. Me done with you know. Me care when no go out to Doctor's Cave and me dash because Doctor's Cave is a very historical beach. Me carry no out there and me leave no to rest. And me sit down and me watch the whole of no crumble, run up and down, disgrace come to uno and all of that. Me done. There's a lot of secret ballots that was on there. Surprisingly, even them get done with. What the fuck uno want? Why would uno want to go dig up video where there's no video? With nobody here eating shit. So what if people in them shit here? So what? Ashanti come up with this fuckery about how my daughter and him man, they are Dubai. She and her husband, they are Dubai. They am shit too much time. I grudge no grudge them because them can go to Dubai and uno can go. They've been there like about 6 fucking time. Ashanti and Landlawd and Lorraine come up with this fucking shit something, you know. Yes, and them come up with it. Landlawd first talk about it. Say appear shit the little pitney yam. And then the next day literally come out and say she the yam shit. Cause him when they cuss say appear sweetie. And every minute me run the pitney in a room. And appear sweetie the pitney then yam and stuff like that. And then all of a sudden the next day, oh she's yamming shit on social media. And the dirty liar nasty drunk for them. The dirty nasty liar crowbait them. Go come to say, yes, there's a video out there with she. Uno find the video. Uno find the video. The day uno find the video, me come on social media and take me life right out of my body. Go find the video, please. And I'm serious, like serious as a fucking heart attack. No joke about it. Men no can evil and stay, sir. Lady V, they come out, they advocate for 13 and Ashanti. And them come out and tear your fucking data. Them come out and tell you say your data they take man from Twitter to Facebook to YouTube to Instagram. And them do it. And them do it, you know. Where the fuck wrong with you? You drop and lick your head? Man V, you drop and lick your head? You better try not mention my blood clot name, you know, Man V. You can't go mention the woman with the 2 gram pitney, no 2 gram pitney me have. And when 3 of them, they may have the beat. The other 2, they in trouble, the other 2. But they may have the other 3, they beat me daughter pitney them, they may have them, they beat them.